हाँ हाँ कर दो हाँ अरे बाबा
અરે ક્યારે બતાવી ને
જી
અરે ક્યારે
પહેલા લેવું છે
आता बेटा हूं ना थोड़ा
बीठो बी न तो प्रोग्राम बनायो ने
इजाज़त वठूं मुंहिंजी सिंधी कमज़ोर आहे ते में ही तकीर अंग्रेज़ी मां ॻाल्हायां छो अगरि काई हिते सिंधी उस्ताद या उस्तानी आहे तो प्लीज़ मुंहिंजो तकीर खां पोइ मेरे पास आ जाए सिखाने के लिए जी जय सिखारी दासी ॾिसो मां सुठो शागिर्द आहियां ठीकु आहे बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Sindh is faced with an existential crisis. Indeed, so is the whole of Pakistan. Our government, which claims to follow God's law and the order as is which set by his book, the Quran, in fact does the exact opposite. When Allah Ta'ala has clearly stated that he has commanded the sweet and salty water to meet, the state insists on their separation. To Hindu and Muslim both, our river is sacred. She is our mother. She is our Hindu mother. And even if you are not religious, your humanity and your instinct to preserve life should overcome your greed. These canals will at the very least leave 12 million acres of land barren, while irrigating a mere 1.2 million in Jodhpur. Furthermore, we will see a dramatic decline in water after Gudu and likely a disappearance of the river past Sarkar. 60% of our Indus River dolphins are at risk of extinction, if not more, and 100% of the people of Sindh face a physical, cultural, and social genocide. The government asks us to lie down and die. This is their humble request of the people of Sindh, especially, but also of all the poor of Pakistan. The natural order demands a river meets the sea so that the hydrological cycle can reignite, feed the glaciers of the Karakoram and Himalayas, which in turn create the Indus we know and love. Already our glaciers are receding, there is less water in our dams, and trust me, more dams will not fix this environmental catastrophe. In addition to this, thousands of acres of forest are being taken, cut down, and turned into farms, leading to erosion and further silting of our existing barrages. A crocodile sanctuary, Halaji Lake, and a bear sanctuary, Ayubia National Park, have been taken already, sacrifices to progress. Recently, an American tourist shot the largest male markhor ever recorded, a majestic animal, shepherded by the Jinn and Pari of the north, where our glaciers originate. The markhor's dead body, tall, majestic, proud, stood as a symbol of our own country. A majestic people exploited to a point where we are now a corpse, a walking, talking corpse, a zombie, but dead nonetheless. And it is this dead body, the dead body of Pakistan, that is being sold to the highest bidder. Do not worry. In no time, Punjab too will run out of water. And our leaders will escape in spaceships with the money they have looted and the lives that they have taken. Tragically, the PPP, the party willed to the poor of Pakistan, has sold its own people as if they owned them to begin with. As the grandson of its founder, I bow my head in shame that his legacy has been commandeered by a man with the same reputation as the 40 thieves of the Arabian Nights. Whereas my father once said, Ali Baba was the Charlie store, and I hope that people in this crowd remember my father. Because those who sit here today were responsible for his death. Their inaction was responsible for his death, and I hope they know that I am here and I am speaking to you directly. Now what will happen to the rest of us? We will be left as the wretched of the earth, eating the sand of the barren riverbed, as is expected of us. However, this is only and only if we let them do as they please. I encourage you now to take the road less traveled. The fakir must pick up the sword alongside the tambur, and the hari must use his axe to sever the head of the monster that starves us. The question is no longer one of profit and loss, but of life and death, and may we conquer death. Jai Sindhu, Jai Pakistan, Jai Hari, Jai Mazdoor, Jai Kisan.
Thank you.
This is one speaker I did not have to come and remind him to end stop. We'd like to continue with the technical presentations, and I would now like to request Mr. Abrar Qazi to please come to the stage.